And damn, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Honestly, God, thank you. Can you imagine? I got this camera from my in-law. Like they're moving, they're relocating, so they were giving out stuff and like what? It came with this cute bag, and you know what? This is my second camera in like 2 weeks. In a span of 2 weeks, I've gotten two cameras. Like, let me show you. The vintage one, and now this one. Someone pinch me because damn. God, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, from the top, from the right, left, center. I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know what else I got? La 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 la, but if I get my money right.
I did it my Valentine, yeah. And I did it keep my temperature the earth. Me I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving it totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Yeah, I did it like I wish she would. Open up, make I see you. You're my love one sexy. If you make a bad man sing,
Mariam, you're a badass. I want to treat you. Explore every bit of it. You hear me? Hmm? Shine. Shine, 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 shine. Shine like the star that you are. Show them. Show them how it's done. Show them how it's done. Honestly, really, show them. Show.